Hello everyone, I'm Sean with UVC Powersports Tractors and Outdoors with Lieutenant Parsons here from Angelton, PD. They just bought their very first Kawasaki MULE 22 Ranch Edition, fully decked out. Two quick questions for you. What was the reason why y'all decided to go Kawasaki MULE?
Well, the competition, it was going to take them about 240 days for delivery with the outfitting of the police equipment, and we have some events coming up, and we wanted to get delivered pretty quick, and we did. And we wanted to get the unit out on the streets and service as soon as we could.
Yeah. Awesome. One more question. Why UVC Powersports?
Well, first of all, we wanted to keep it local, shop local. We wanted to be able to get service locally whenever we needed it, and it was also the warranty tracked us. We had a better, we had a history of people that were past customers that recommended you guys, awesome. and sounded like a good partnership.
Awesome. By the way, the Kawasaki MULE is a 3-year base warranty. And you get that extended 3-year warranty for a total of 6 years. And yeah, thank you for coming by UVC. I'll see you soon.
Thank you.